Hey there, Skorpios Builder Blog.
What up, what up?
Did you hear the news?
The good news?
We are fighting Whiplash in this week's main event. So, you may not know this, but Skorpios is currently, if you look at the charts, Reddit tracks this stuff very heavily. We are ranked number 5. Woo! I know you're thinking like, wait a minute.
Oh my Godzilla.
How are they at 5? Well, there are 6 matches that didn't air on the normal television show, 2 at the Amazon Remars event, and 4 in Battlebots Bounty Hunters. We won all of those. And so that's actually one of the reasons our rank is so high, is we have 6 wins and 0 losses from the bonus events.
Bonus!
Now, the reason we're so excited about Whiplash is the only way to go higher on this chart is we have to beat one of the 4 people ahead of us. And that is either Bite Force, who isn't at the event, Tubestone, who we've already fought, Whiplash, or Hydra.
Hydra! I want Hydra!
I wanted Whiplash because he's ranked 2. So, and the selection committee answered our prayers and gave us the big match we wanted. This is actually a really good mirror match. I know a lot of people want to see us fight Sawblaze, but to be honest, Sawblaze is more known for having a good weapon, kind of like in-game, but Skorpios is a lot more known.
We're tanky.
For being tanky and good drivers.
Yeah.
And that's something Whiplash is also well known for. And I am so excited to come out and fight the other master of control bots, the master of pacing and movement, and see if we can come out on top. This is kind of like the battle of the best drivers, right?
Sure.
Right? Right? Leave a comment if you agree with that. Or don't, if you don't. You know. If you would like to win a Skorpios Whiplash main event poker chip, leave a comment of what armor and blade you would have picked to fight the Vasquez brothers. Or no, actually, Defender's now a thing. So this is just Matt Vasquez.
Who would you pick? What configuration would you pick to fight Matt Vasquez in the battle box?
Leave a comment for your chance to win the poker chips. To get ready for this match, we made some alterations to Skorpios. Now, something we didn't let people know at the event, we did all of our self-right testing in episode 1 of the Skorpios Builder Blog, and we did it with the old blade. And we made sure the robot could self-right from every direction in one single swing.
With the old blade.
And we were getting ready for the Whiplash match with the new T-Rex blade, and we discovered something. Its odd shape kind of makes it harder to self-right. It would eventually do it, but it takes 2 or 3 attempts.
And with Whiplash, you need to confidently self-right.
Yeah, we were a little worried that if we were struggling to get back up, Whiplash would turn that into a combo and just win the fight. So we decided...
Hammersaw Classic.
We decided to go with the Hammersaw Classic. And I know a lot of people might be a little disappointed about this. They're like, we want to see all that damage. We want to see more damage.
But we want to keep the fight going.
And we made the choice to switch to that weapon for self-righting purposes. Now...
And it was an iffy decision even within our team. Our team was pretty divided at the event about this decision. But eventually the self-righting issue kind of won everybody over in a way.
So, the next thing we did was we actually wanted to go with the Scorpion King armor because we know this is going to be a battle of forks. However, it was 8 pounds overweight, and we didn't have enough time to figure out how to shave the weight out of it. It's much wider than our old armor, and the back is way too thick. So, whoops. That weight calculation in Inventor didn't work quite right.
Oops.
So, anywho, the Starfighter armor was in weight, and it had...
Pew, 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 pew.
And it has really good forks. And we figured Whiplash was going to try to run something similar to what he did in his in-game match for the finals, when he was trying to battle another wedge. So we thought the Starfighter would be good to beat that.
We'll
So there you go. You have all the decision-making that happened in the pit right before the battle. And
Well,
now,
we were all still squeeing over the fact that we got to meet Matt in the big box.
And a main event!
We have fought the Vasquezes in smaller events before. This is our first heavyweight fight with Matt.
Yeah, if you've ever wondered who they were fighting as children, it was us.
Amongst others, but also us.
But yeah.